This factory builds Isuzu N-Series and F-Series trucks for the North American market. Isuzu has two main factories in the United States. NPR trucks are produced at the Janesville plant in Wisconsin, while the Charlotte facility assembles N-Series gas and F-Series diesel models. The Charlotte plant has produced N-Series gas models for about 14 years and added F-Series diesel production approximately 8 years ago. The plant also assembles Isuzu's Class 6 F-Series trucks, including the FTR model, which is designed for urban and last-mile delivery segments. Right now, you're watching the assembly process, including preparation of the chassis frame, engine, and cab, wheel installation, first fueling, and testing on the dynamometer. Located in Charlotte, Michigan, this Builtmore contract manufacturing facility is a key assembly site operated by the Shyft Group, formerly known as Spartan Motors. This is Isuzu Gas Plant 5 in Charlotte. This marks Isuzu's expansion into gasoline-powered commercial trucks, meeting increasing market demand in classes 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, a large percentage of the workers in this factory are women, including those on the assembly line. Each worker has a predefined checklist of tasks that they must complete as quickly as possible. In separate sections of the factory complex, the truck's chassis, engine, and cab are assembled. Here, everything is brought together. At the end of assembly, the vehicles are taken over by testing technicians who inspect and test the truck. You are now watching the main assembly line, where factory workers connect the truck chassis frame with the cab. They then install the wheels, connect the electronics, and complete the entire truck assembly. You are now watching engine performance testing on the dynamometer. The test driver is also evaluating the shifting and other control features. Approximately 100 assembly and support workers are employed at the Spartan plant in Charlotte, which is dedicated to building the Isuzu FTR. Isuzu's Class 3 and 4 gas trucks are frequently built on the NPR platform, a popular low cab forward, cab over engine design known for its maneuverability and versatility. Isuzu is widely recognized as a pioneer and leader in the United States low cab forward truck market, particularly with its N-Series trucks spanning classes 3 through 5. Renowned for their durable diesel engines and overall reliability, Isuzu trucks are a preferred choice for fleets that demand dependable workhorses with minimal downtime. Recently, Isuzu has expanded its lineup to include gasoline-powered trucks as well as electric models like the NRR EV, reflecting its commitment to innovation and sustainability. Isuzu's collaboration with companies such as Spartan Motors, now the Shyft Group, in the United States plays a key role in assembling trucks like the FTR and NRR gas models. You are now watching the Isuzu N-Series gas assembly process. You are now watching the creation of the main chassis frame rails. The drive axles are mounted onto the chassis frame, accompanied by the installation of the exhaust system and other essential components. You are now witnessing the lowering of the driver's cab onto the prepared chassis, a critical step known as the marriage process. On the testing dynamometer, not only is the engine's performance evaluated, but the vehicle's lighting and other systems are also thoroughly tested. Additionally, the chassis and all electrical cable connections throughout the truck undergo a detailed inspection at this stage. Right now, you're observing the production of the Isuzu F-Series trucks in the United States. Spartan Motors Isuzu refers to the contract manufacturing partnership between Isuzu and Spartan Motors based in Michigan. This facility, known as the Isuzu FTR plant, produces the Isuzu FTR, a Class 6 medium-duty, low-cab forward truck designed specifically for the North American market. The truck incorporates U.S.-sourced parts and is engineered locally at the Isuzu Technical Center in Plymouth, Michigan, before final assembly by Spartan Motors. Performance testing on the dynamometer is now underway again. Completed Isuzu trucks are then parked next to the manufacturing facility before being transported to dealerships across the United States. Isuzu has been the best seller of low-cab forward trucks in the United States for over 30 years. They command about 80% market share in this niche. Isuzu's diesel engines and overall truck durability are highly regarded by fleets needing dependable vehicles with low downtime. Isuzu has grown its lineup with gasoline-powered trucks and electric models like the NRR EV, showing innovation alongside reliability. And now, for comparison, let's take a look at the production of these Isuzu trucks in Japanese factories. These large steel sheets are used in the pressing process to shape the body panels of the popular Isuzu trucks, known for their reliability and performance. The production of the widely admired Isuzu N-Series trucks begins in this section of the factory, where the initial assembly steps are carefully carried out. After the individual truck body components are formed, they undergo a thorough inspection before being transported to the welding shop for the next phase of construction. The welding of the truck's driver cab is performed with precision by a team of advanced yellow robotic arms, ensuring consistent quality and structural integrity. This state-of-the-art Fujisawa plant is capable of producing more than 170,000 trucks annually, making it one of Isuzu's key manufacturing hubs. Once assembled, the cab body is treated with an anti-corrosion coating to protect it from rust, and then it is painted with a durable top coat for both aesthetics and long-lasting protection. The Isuzu N-Series, which is also known by its domestic name Isuzu Elf in Japan, is manufactured in several countries around the world, including Japan, the United States, Thailand, China, and others, reflecting its global popularity and demand. One of the key reasons behind the enduring reputation of the N-Series trucks is their remarkable durability. With just basic routine maintenance, these vehicles are known to exceed 300,000 miles on the road, making them a trusted choice for businesses worldwide. At this stage of production, following the final painting process of the truck's bodywork, trained quality control inspectors carefully examine the surface for any imperfections, ensuring the paint meets strict factory standards before moving on. You are now seeing the heart of the operation, the main assembly line, where various components come together, and the truck begins to take its final form through a series of precisely coordinated steps. This is where the wheels, doors, windows, and the front dashboard are assembled in the truck. At the same time the chassis frame is being prepared, the finished engine will be attached to it. Next comes the assembly. The engine is attached to the chassis, followed by the truck cab. At this stage of the production process, these Isuzu workers, dressed in their distinctive blue uniforms, are conducting a meticulous quality inspection. After passing the visual and mechanical inspections, the trucks are transported to the dynamometer testing area. Here, advanced diagnostic equipment is used to evaluate the engine's performance under simulated driving conditions. This critical testing step is identical to the procedures followed in Isuzu's American manufacturing plants, ensuring consistent quality across all markets. Once the assembly and testing processes are complete, the finished trucks are driven to a massive outdoor lot located next to the facility, where they await final shipment or delivery to dealerships and customers around the world. This is the Isuzu engine manufacturing Hokkaido plant, one of the company's key facilities dedicated to engine production. Located in Tomakomai on the northern island of Hokkaido, Japan, the plant specializes in the manufacturing of high-performance diesel engines and a variety of related components essential to Isuzu's commercial vehicles. Over the years, the facility has steadily expanded its operations, adding advanced capabilities such as aluminum casting, precision machining, engine and transmission assembly, as well as the rebuilding and remanufacturing of powertrain components. As you can see right now, the production process here is a well-orchestrated collaboration between cutting-edge robotic systems and skilled human workers, working side by side to ensure quality and efficiency at every step. In this foundry, specially formulated metal alloys are melted down and carefully processed into durable engine blocks, which form the foundation of Isuzu's high-performance diesel engines. Isuzu truck engines are widely regarded as some of the most reliable in the world, particularly within the demanding field of commercial transportation, where longevity and minimal downtime are critical. The company's engineering philosophy emphasizes simplicity and durability. Isuzu focuses on proven, mechanically straightforward diesel engine designs. With fewer electronic components, there is simply less that can go wrong, making maintenance easier and failures less frequent. These engines are purpose-built to run for thousands of hours under heavy loads. To achieve this, they are equipped with robust, heavy-duty parts such as forged pistons, high-grade steel crankshafts, and oversized bearings, all designed to withstand the stress of constant commercial use. To ensure real-world reliability, Isuzu operates the Hokkaido Proving Ground, located in Mukawa, Hokkaido. This dedicated facility serves as a key site for testing the performance, efficiency, and long-term durability of their trucks. These robotic CNC machines are designed for precise work on engines. In this Japanese factory in Hokkaido, the automation of the manufacturing process is very advanced. The machining and cleaning of the cylinder area in the engine are done manually by workers. Isuzu has approximately 580 full-time female employees across its operations, with over 10% holding management or executive position. The company has established an action plan to increase the ratio of female managers to 5% by 2027, and to support employees balancing work and childcare. Isuzu designs its engines with highly efficient and robust cooling systems to ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating, even in some of the world's harshest environments, such as tropical climates or desert regions where temperatures can be extreme. In addition, oil flow and filtration systems are carefully engineered and optimized to support long service intervals, reduce wear, and extend overall engine life, a crucial factor for commercial operators who depend on long-term reliability and low maintenance costs. The largest trucks produced by Isuzu in Japan belong to the powerful Isuzu Giga series, which are also marketed in certain international regions under the name Isuzu C-Series. These heavy-duty trucks are designed for maximum payload capacity and are built to handle long-distance hauling and demanding industrial use. At the end of the production process, the truck can be started for the first time, and a series of engine tests begins. Isuzu indeed maintains a truck manufacturing presence in Saudi Arabia, with a production facility located in the city of Dammam. This plant supports the growing demand for commercial vehicles in the Middle East, and serves as part of Isuzu's strategy to expand its footprint in key international markets. Japanese commercial vehicle brands, including Isuzu, Hino, and Fuso, continue to dominate the global light and medium-duty truck segments, particularly across Asia and Oceania. While Isuzu may not match the global production volume of major heavy-duty truck manufacturers like Daimler, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, or Packer's Kenworth, it remains a highly competitive force, especially in the light and medium-duty categories. In several markets, such as Australia and Indonesia, Isuzu consistently ranks as a strong number 3 in overall truck sales, thanks to its reliable engineering and widespread service networks. In fact, Isuzu holds the number 1 position in light-duty truck sales in markets like Australia, where it commands an impressive market share of over 40%, making it the leading choice for small to medium-sized businesses and fleet operators alike. Daimler Truck currently leads the global medium and heavy-duty truck segment, delivering approximately 489,000 trucks annually across its various brands. In comparison, Isuzu records global annual sales of around 134,500 trucks in the passenger and light commercial vehicle segments. Isuzu has built a strong reputation in the light and medium-duty truck categories, where it often dominates regional markets due to its exceptional reliability, broad product lineup, and well-established dealer and service networks. As a global company, Isuzu employs approximately 44,495 people worldwide, including staff across both domestic operations and international subsidiaries. It has 8,500 employees at the parent company in Japan alone. The workers on the assembly line inside the factory work as a well-coordinated team. Each workstation has its own supervisor who is responsible for the quality of the work performed. After assembly is completed, the trucks are moved to the test track, where their quality will be evaluated. After completion, the trucks wait in the parking lot until they are transported to dealerships and to their future owners. Now, however, we're moving from Saudi Arabia to the Tochigi factory in Japan. The Isuzu Tochigi plant, established in 1972, stands as one of the most important production facilities for Isuzu Motors Limited, playing a central role in the company's engine manufacturing operations. Located in Japan's Tochigi Prefecture, the plant specializes in the production of high-performance diesel engines designed for commercial vehicles across Isuzu's lineup, from light-duty delivery trucks to medium and heavy-duty haulers. What you're seeing now is a critical part of the engine production process, where essential components are formed under extremely high temperatures and pressures to ensure maximum durability and efficiency. The engines produced at the Tochigi plant are primarily used in Isuzu trucks sold within the Japanese market, although a significant number are also installed in export models bound for markets around the world. The facility embraces a modern smart factory approach, incorporating Internet of Things, IoT technologies, and a cell production system. These innovations enhance both productivity and quality control, allowing for highly efficient, flexible, and precise manufacturing processes. Key features include real-time monitoring of production data and full traceability of every part used during engine assembly, ensuring consistent quality and enabling quick response to any issues. Today, the Tochigi plant employs approximately 8,056 people, all contributing to Isuzu's reputation for building reliable and long-lasting diesel engines. Although exact annual production figures for the Tochigi plant are not publicly disclosed, the facility is estimated to have a production capacity of approximately 250,000 units per year. Workers inside this factory are required to wear protective suits, helmets, goggles, and, in certain positions, gloves to ensure their safety and maintain strict compliance with industrial safety standards. The entire assembly process in the main assembly hall closely resembles putting together a puzzle. The engine slowly moves across the workstations, with more and more parts gradually being added to it. Automated guided vehicles, which are easily programmable, are often used for transportation. Automatic torque wrenches, which apply a precisely specified torque, are used to tighten bolts on the engines. Isuzu utilizes its own factory machines and robots within its Japanese manufacturing facilities, including the Tochigi plant. Isuzu's subsidiary, Isuzu Vietnam, plays a specialized role in advancing factory automation and the operation of mechatronic systems across the company's manufacturing network. The subsidiary focuses on the design, development, and production of a wide range of automation equipment and robotic systems. Isuzu collaborates with automation system integrators to develop and implement advanced automation solutions tailored to their manufacturing needs. Isuzu Motors Limited has a significant presence in Japan's commercial vehicle manufacturing sector, with key production facilities located in Tochigi and Kanagawa prefectures. Isuzu Elf, which is N-Series, a medium-duty truck available in various configurations including standard cab, crew cab, and wide cab. It is known for its versatility and is marketed under different names in various regions, such as Isuzu Q Series in the US and Isuzu Grafter in the UK. Isuzu Forward F Series, a heavy-duty truck designed for larger payloads and more demanding commercial applications. Isuzu Giga C Series is a heavy-duty truck primarily used for long-distance transportation and large-scale logistics. Engines produced at the Tochigi plant are not only used in vehicles assembled at Isuzu's domestic production facilities across Japan, but are also shipped to various international markets. These engines are exported to support Isuzu's global manufacturing operations, where they are installed in a wide range of commercial vehicles tailored to different regional needs and regulations. This is the Toyota Ovar plant, officially known as Toyota Catano, Portugal, located in the coastal town of Ovar, Portugal. It serves as a key manufacturing site for the complete production of the Toyota Dyna truck. The Toyota Dyna is a versatile light to medium-duty commercial vehicle, designed with a practical cab-over engine layout that makes it well-suited for urban delivery, construction work, and small business operations. Production of the Dyna at this plant began in 2003, and since then, The model has gained popularity among tradespeople, contractors, and logistics professionals across Europe for its reliability and durability. Approximately 300 skilled workers are employed at the Over facility, contributing to the assembly and quality control of each vehicle that rolls off the production line. Over the decades, the Toyota Caetano Portugal plant has built a diverse range of iconic Toyota models, including the Corolla, Corona, Starlet, Land Cruiser, Hilux, Hiace, and more recently the Dyna, making it a historically significant site within Toyota's European operations. Currently, Toyota operates only 8 manufacturing facilities across Europe. These plants are responsible for producing vehicles, engines, and transmissions that supply all European Union markets, reflecting Toyota's commitment to local production and regional market support. The Caetano plant in Portugal holds a unique position as the only Toyota manufacturing facility located in southern Europe. It plays a vital role in supporting regional production and meeting local demand for commercial vehicles. At this stage of the assembly process, a factory worker is carefully working on the truck's chassis, ensuring that all structural components are properly secured. As each vehicle reaches the end of the assembly line, it undergoes a rigorous engine performance test on a dynamometer. Now, every Toyota Dyna light truck will be taken to the test track immediately next to the factory. Test drivers will test horns, wipers, turn signals, and much more. At the end, they'll go through a special wash line. After washing, it is still continued for quality control. Here, inspectors check the paintwork under a harsh light. These medium-duty trucks are especially popular in Japan. This is mainly due to the minimal size. The latest models in the U600 and U800 series are now available with a choice of either manual or automatic transmissions, offering greater flexibility to meet a wide range of customer preferences and operational requirements. This allows drivers and fleet operators to select the transmission type that best suits their driving conditions. Multiple models of Isuzu trucks are assembled on the same production line, demonstrating the plant's flexibility and efficiency in handling diverse vehicle configurations. In contrast to the stricter dress code typically observed in Japanese factories, workers at the American Isuzu facility have more freedom and can report to work in casual attire, reflecting cultural differences in workplace norms. At this point, you can compare the operations of the American Isuzu factory with those of the Japanese facility shown earlier, offering a glimpse into how regional practices influence production environments. The layout of the factory floor is carefully designed to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow, from chassis assembly through to final inspection and performance testing, maximizing productivity while maintaining high-quality standards. The assembly lines at Isuzu's manufacturing facilities are designed with a high degree of flexibility, allowing for the production of various truck models and configurations depending on specific market demands. This adaptability ensures efficient response to changing customer needs across different regions. Trucks produced in Japan, particularly the popular N series, are exported to dozens of countries worldwide. As a result, the Fujisawa plant has become a vital hub in Isuzu's global truck business, supporting international sales and maintaining the brand's reputation for quality and consistency. Thanks to their low maintenance costs, solid fuel efficiency, and strong resale value, Isuzu trucks are widely regarded as a smart investment for businesses that rely on dependable commercial vehicles for daily operations. At this point in the production process, you can observe the marriage stage. where the chassis and cab are joined, taking place in the American plant in much the same way as it did in Japan a decade ago. The wheels are attached on the assembly line using 5 strong bolts within a few seconds. The beautiful silver Isuzu logo is, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful automotive brands in the world. The main components of the truck arrive at the assembly line pre-assembled by specialized subcontractors. These key parts, such as the engine, transmission, and cab assemblies, are carefully manufactured off-site to precise specifications before being delivered. This approach allows the assembly line to focus on efficiently integrating these major modules, streamlining the production process, and ensuring consistent quality across the final vehicles.